Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create a function in C programming. When we do C programming, there's always a function, the main function, it's always there. Now we are going to create a new function. Okay, now let's get rid of this one. Now let's start right here. I'm going to name it as void, like void, and we have to name it as something, like you can say anything you want. So I'm going to call it print something, print something, and you have to have a parenthesis after that, and then a curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket. Inside of this curly bracket we always mention what's the function is going to do. For example, if we want to print something, we usually put it in the main, so we have to do the same thing for the function we created. We had to mention what are we going to do. So here I'm going to print something, so let's go ahead and print something. I'm going to put printf dir I'm a function. Okay, and after that, if you follow the other pattern, at the end we have to have a return. So I put return also here, return, and let's execute and see what happens. Now here you see nothing, right? We expected this one to be print, but we didn't get anything. That's because the computer program always start from the top to bottom. So it's going to first start here, include this one, and then go to the main, and when it say return 0, it means it's the end. So it just end it right there. So that's why it's not going to the next one, right? So in order to print this one, first of all, what we had to do is we had to put this print something inside of this main function. Okay, and we had to put a semicolon after that. And this is not enough. We have to do something that's called prototyping. Prototyping is we have to mention whatever the if we have another function, we have to always do the prototyping. We have to mention that function name on top. So this is called prototyping, and here we mention the function name and put a semicolon, and now it's done. Now it should work. Okay, let's go ahead and run this one. So here it's printing dir I am a function. Now you can do this, you can repeat this one as many times as you want, like just copy paste this one again and again. So it's going to do the same thing again and again. Okay, so you can see that's going again and again, and that's how we create a function. That's how we create a function. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos on my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can see all my codes. You can copy and try them. And that's it. I hope, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.